Hi, welcome to a video tutorial from Equator. In this video we are going to use TI-34 scientific calculator to do percentage calculation with examples. This video is part of a full video manual for this calculator. The link to watch that video is below this video in the description. Now let's do percentage calculation with this calculator. So there are three main ways that a percentage question will be asked. First one, so the first would be, what is the 20% of 1,500? So you type 20%, this is a button, times 1,500 and enter. This is the answer, we got 300. Now example number 2 is a different way. It says 300 is what percent of 1,500? We already know 300 is what percent? We know it's 20%, but let's see how we can do it. So 300 times 100, 100 is because the percent is based on 100, divided by 1,500, and we got 20. Now the third way would be, we should have 1,500 as the answer. So now what would be the question? It would be 20% of what value is 300. So we enter 300 times 100 divided by 20, and it gives you 1,500. Now there are two other examples that I have to give you because it's very useful in business. Let's say you want to calculate 17% tax of 3,000. Let's say you are working in a store or sales or whatever. So what we do is we calculate the tax for the 3,000, which we know 17% times 3,000, and then we add it to the 3,000. So let's type 3,000 plus 17% times 3,000. So this is the tax, 17%, and then plus the actual value, which have been increased to this number. Example number 5 is now you want to give 30% discount to 500. The same way, we calculate the 30% of 500 and subtract it from the actual 500. So 500 minus 30% times 500, which has been reduced to 350. Thank you for watching. This was the full video instruction manual for this TI-34 Multiview scientific calculator. Please thumb up the video and also please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate it. If you have comment or question, post it at the comment section below. I try to answer and reply. If you want to purchase this calculator, the affiliated links are below this video. If you purchase it, I will get some commission. It will help me. Thank you.